I'm praying that this video will find your heart space. Let me know how you feel right now. I think I'm talking to a soul that was spiraling down. It was a massive purge and cleansing happening. But the feeling of knowing your story resonate with others, knowing that you're not the only soul going through spiritual upgrade, ascension, is priceless. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing your story, as it is empowering others. And again, this is, I believe, one of the biggest blessings in my entire life, just to be able to share some events, challenges, stories that is happening, and just knowing that it's resonating with others and it can help others, and creating a community, just sharing. It's priceless, and I want you to be blessed for eternity. I'm hearing that you're intimidating AF at this time. I'm talking to a soul that no matter what you're doing, you are reaching a level, your energetic level right now, there is no going back. You are so protected that people are trying to, I'm hearing copycat, they're trying to understand you because they actually want to be protected the way you are, but also for the ones that are not having the right behavior towards you, they're eating their karma like it's instant. It is coming, it was too on the time, it's coming to a point where you're literally a like leader, and people, like, they're shown the truth. God's walking, and they want their piece of the cake without doing the job. They want to have your aura without doing the job. They think this glowing around you is random, it's just chance, it's just luck. But they don't know what you've been through. The energy I'm feeling right now, it's quite funny because, again, you might feel some emotional turbulences right now, 333 on the timer, but this is just because your manifestation is so close. And when this is going to hit your life, Jesus Lord, they're going. It's as if like God right now was placing them in a situation where they're just going to observe you, and they thought you were a weirdo since the beginning. You were something they could not explain. They just knew you were special. They wanted to be like you. Meanwhile, they could not judging. Jealousy, envy. But the thing is, it worked until now. And God, the Most High, power. God, the Most High, you're in your power right now. I don't know who I'm tapping into. You're in your power. power, and it's just the beginning. You're going to close mouths. God is going to make sure every single person that has talked shit about you is going to see you bloom. Courage. You have the courage to be yourself in front of them, in front of everybody. I'm talking to a soul that finally decided to take the leap of faith for being who they are truly, and it's bringing so much abundance and luck back on the table. If you experienced some lack at some point, just make sure it's not here anymore. And I'm saying the truth. We got transformation and knowledge. And I'm talking to someone that just knew since the beginning. Again, I got the truth. You just knew since the beginning that you were different. They called it weirdo. You knew you were destined for greatness. You were destined for success. You were different. Now you're going to fully let the world know who you are, and they're going to understand who you always knew you were, because you knew since a child that you were different. Didn't seek validation. So protected. Now you released the old self. No one is ready for your coming back. Let me tell you that, let them talk. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. And until next time, be blessed for eternity. Namaste.